Hi, I'm Katrina Scott, the co-founder of Tone It Up, and this morning I'm making a post-workout recovery smoothie. Now, within 30 minutes of working out, it's really important to fuel those muscles, build long, lean muscles, and it's great for protein synthesis, so you want to have something pretty much right away. So we're gonna make this. I have almond milk, Tone It Up protein and greens. I love this because right now it's a little harder to find fresh produce. 14 kale leaves, there's spinach, 4 leaves, and then there's broccoli. And it doesn't taste like what you would imagine. It tastes like vanilla ice cream. It's so delicious. This is available on Tone It Up, and I'll put the link below. So I'm gonna do 1 scoop of protein here. And then I did 1 frozen banana. I love banana in smoothies because it makes it so smooth, and also it has potassium to fuel those muscles too. And then I'm doing frozen strawberries. Obviously I would be doing fresh strawberries too if I had them right now. I'm like really bad at measuring. So I did 1, 2, 3, 4 large strawberries. And then with almond milk, I usually do about a cup of almond milk, but I add a little bit, and I'd rather add a little more than having too much almond milk. And then we're gonna blend this up. I need to add a little almond milk. I like it to be a little thicker so I can make like a smoothie bowl. All right, so I guess the true test taster will be Brian here. This is my husband, Brian. Hi.
I didn't even know you were recording anything.
And if you haven't seen Tone It Up protein, it's available on toneup.com and at Target. And we made this because it's simple ingredients, and it's for women, it's plant-based, and it's so delicious. It's almost like dessert. I keep talking about ice cream again. Presentation is everything. Hold on, you gotta put some toppings. I'm gonna do, these are like mixed nuts, peanuts and a little pecan. I take my smoothie making very seriously. Some white chia seeds. These are also amazing post-workout. And coconut. I love, oh, there's my cat. I love coconut in smoothies too, blended. It has the best texture. I just said that weird. Texture? These look decadent. You have a chef in your kitchen, babe. Cheers. You up. Make sure you subscribe to the Tone It Up channel for more videos. Check out the workouts that we have on there, and download the Tone It Up app because the workouts are amazing. And of course, check out our recipes in the app too. I'll see you soon.